Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by unlocking and grabbing the taskbar so you can move it. Right-click any empty space and look for Lock the Taskbar. If it's checked, click to uncheck. Once unlocked, hover at the very top edge of the taskbar until the cursor becomes a move icon, then click and hold. Make sure you're making this change on your primary display if you use multiple monitors, because Windows anchors differently per screen. This prevents unexpected placement shifts later. Next, click and hold the taskbar and drag it down toward the bottom edge. Move steadily so Windows detects your intent. You'll see the bar jump or snap once it reaches the correct edge. Release to set it. If Auto Hide is on, toggle Auto Hide off first so you can confirm the placement visually. Once the bar is settled and looks correct, right-click and choose Lock the Taskbar to prevent accidental moves. This locks orientation and restores expected behavior. Finish by locking the taskbar so it stays put. Right-click and select Lock the Taskbar. If it won't snap to bottom, check Display Settings. Mismatched scaling or unusual resolution can stop snapping, so set scale to 100% or recommended and try again. If problems persist, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or reboot the PC. That clears transient glitches and usually restores normal taskbar behavior. If nothing works, try creating a new user profile to isolate configuration corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.